Hello friends, welcome to all of you. Friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how you can run OBS Studio software on your mobile. Can you run OBS Studio software in your mobile or not? I am going to tell you everything in today's video. If you are also thinking of running OBS Studio software on your mobile, then you must watch this video completely today. In today's video I am going to clear all your doubts, so you are requested to watch this video completely. Friends, first of all let us know that, what is this OBS Studio? Friends, OBS Studio is a free open source and cross-platform screencasting and streaming app. With this software you can do live streaming on other social media. And with this software you can also record the screen of your PC or laptop for free. Friends, this software works on Windows as well as Mac and Linux. You can run this software very easily in all these types of operating systems. Friends, now you must be thinking that how can we run this software on our mobile? So friends, I want to tell you that this software is made only for PC or laptop. You cannot run this software on your mobile at all. You need an operating system like Windows or Mac or Linux to run this software. You can run this software only on PC or laptop. Friends, I know you would like to run this software on your mobile, but let me tell you it is not possible. Friends, if you want to run OBS Studio in your mobile, then you get many software related to it on the internet, which are exactly like OBS Studio. Then you can run those software very easily on your mobile, then friends you should also use them. All the apps or software have to be downloaded, after that you can run it on your mobile very easily. So friends, now you know that after all you can run OBS Studio software in your mobile or not. I hope you have understood everything very well. So friends, how did you like this information? You must tell us by commenting. If you liked this video, then you are requested to write the video and also share this video as much as possible with your friends so that they also know about this information. To know about, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, if you want to see more videos like this, then you can subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that whenever our new video will come, you will get its notification. Be the first to be found, and you will be the first to see our videos. Many thanks to all of you for watching the video.